I just saw Avatar The Way of Water, and here are my thoughts. James Cameron is back. When he said, "I'll be back," he meant that with Avatar. This movie solidifies James Cameron as the king of sequels. First Aliens, Terminator 2, and now Avatar The Way of Water. This is the return of mighty blockbuster filmmaking. Like its predecessor, this is one of the most visually immaculate and immersive experiences, with an emphasis on spiritualism and our connection to nature. It adds personal value to family and encourages ocean conservation. Jake Sully is absolutely goated. There was one moment in this movie that had my brother and I stand up on our feet and cheer. James Cameron once again shows strong heart. The movie has a strong display between mothers and daughters, fathers and sons, and the fear of parental expectations. Sometimes, as individuals, we can feel like disappointments, but what this movie highlights is the fact that we should see the worth in every unique individual. Avatar The Way of Water reminded me of Star Wars The Force Awakens. The way that James Cameron reuses a lot of the story elements, the same ones from the first movie, presents them here, but in a new and refreshing way to where it still feels like its own thing. For example, he reuses the same villain, but presents him in a way where it thematically impacts the story differently. My only nitpick with this movie is the spider character. This character is the one that I was the least emotionally connected to. Overall, Avatar The Way of Water gets a 10 out of 10 from me.